Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kirsty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some feed-in braids. I decided to go with a burgundy color for fall. I'm using Rastafri braids, my Expert 24 pre-separated braiding hair. This braiding hair is unique because it's pre-separated for you and pretty much measured. I'm also going to be using Edge Booster's new product. This is a pomade stick, and girl, it will leave the hair laying down. I wanted to try to use this stick instead of a gel to see how it would work with the cornrows, and it did very well, because sometimes what can happen is when you use gel, your hair could revert, and I wanted to give my ladies who watch my videos another option besides beeswax or edge control or a gel. So once I applied the Edge Booster stick to my hairline and to all the sections that are going to be braided, I take this little brush. Yes, it is a brush that you usually see at the nail salon, but you guys, this lays down the hair so well. It's not the first time I've seen it. I've seen it in many braid shops, so I decided to pick me one up too. I tried to do other methods of feed-in braids, but this way sort of works for me, and it's what I'm going to be doing today. So I take the hair and I make my 3 little legs, and then I take that braiding hair and I'm making a knot. It's a really small knot, but nonetheless it's still a knot. So if you're into knotless cornrows, comment down below and I will do that video for you guys. I've been practicing and I'm ready to shoot that out for y'all. But as you guys can see, it's a little more difficult to braid with long nails, so I just want to encourage you ladies, if you know how to braid with long nails, kudos to you. But girl, if you're trying to learn how to braid and really learn the foundation and fundamentals of braiding, just stick with your natural nails or shorter nails, just so that way when you're parting and trying to grip, you're not fighting with the length of your nail like I am here and trying to do your braid movements. So you guys, all I did was I took the 3 legs and I pretty much started a cornrow. Once I made about 4 to 5 braid movements, I take my next piece of braiding hair and I grab it with my pinky and I pretty much feed it in to that cornrow, and then I slide that remainder piece into my pointer finger and my thumb. Here it is one more time. Grab it with the pinky, hold it with the pointer finger, make 1 braid movement, slide that piece over, make your next braid movement right here. You have to be very, secure when you're doing your cornrows. Pull that hair back and slip it underneath your pointer finger and thumb. So I hope that you guys kind of understood what I said there. I have it playing for you guys a few times, so y'all can check out how I installed these cornrows. These were some of the neatest cornrows that I have done on myself. I bet they probably would have been neater if I had my shorter nails, but nonetheless, they're cornrows and I didn't have to do my hair for about 4 days. And I never wear burgundy. Are you guys feeling this burgundy color? I mean, I know fall is here, so I guess it's perfect for autumn. So guys, I followed this same technique. Once I feed in 1 piece, I make my braid movement like this, and then here goes the braid movement. And then once you make your braid movement, you want to slide that piece over, and then you want to go ahead and make your next braid movement, and then you want to go ahead and continue braiding down. Now I'm giving you guys a back view so that way you guys can see. I didn't have a mirror here, but I kind of was using my fingers to feel for any loose hairs or just any hairs that were out of place. It kind of reminds me of Braille. I believe that's how you pronounce it, is how people who are blind, how they are able to read. So I use my fingertips and it helps me to feel along the corner to see if it's straight, to see if it has unnecessary bumps that don't need to be there, to feel if I got gel in a point that it doesn't need to be. Now, it's not perfect, but you guys, it's working for me and I just couldn't wait to share with you guys. I love how these cornrows came out, and I do plan to rock some more cornrows in the future. And I just wanted to share one tip with you guys. When you guys are doing your cornrows, make sure that you count your middle braid or your braids that start at a different point of your head, like in the middle. You want to add a couple extra pieces to that braid, because otherwise what's going to happen is your one braid is going to be short. The two braids on the side of your head closest to your ears will be super long. So you want to make sure you add an additional couple of pieces just to make sure that all of your braids are the same length. So here, guys, I'm just giving you guys one more view on how I fed in that hair. As you can see, again, it was 3 legs. I'm making 1 braid movement right here, making 2 braid movements right here, and I'm going to make a 3rd braid movement right here. And as you can see, this hair is slipping and sliding everywhere, but I'm trying my hardest. This is 4, and we have 5 braid movements right here. Once I feel that, oh, here we go, 6. Once I feel that the braid is tight enough and secure enough, I go ahead and I add a second piece of hair. It is slightly larger than the piece that I started with. You want to make sure that your pieces are gradually getting bigger as you add them in. Otherwise, your braid is going to be extremely skinny and not at all looking like it just came out of your scalp. Now, this step is so optional. I've seen it done on Instagram all the time, so I thought I would try it. I did not need to do this step at all. My hair was already laid down. Just put on the scarf and girl, go to sleep. But I did it, and it honestly made my hair super flat, which is fine, but I totally didn't need to do that step. So for you ladies who want to try that, it's up to you. Just be careful, it is mousse, and if your braider didn't braid your hair down tight enough, your curls and stuff might revert. So that's the end of this video. Yes, y'all, check it out. These are my cornrows in the sun. Yes, I love them. I can't wait to do some more. Comment down below if you guys want to see a knotless method of installing your cornrows. Stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm out.